Hello, thank you for tuning in to Mrs. Smalls Tries It All, the channel where I, Mrs. Smalls, tries a little bit of everything and share with you how it's done. Today I want to talk to you guys about making the magic ring. All right, now with the magic ring, it'll make it easier to create your foundation stitches as well as your hats and things of that nature. It's adjustable. And if you mess up, you just pull the string and start all over. Okay, so let's get started on the magic ring. The magic ring. So I have the loose string that's dangling facing me. Wrap it around my finger. So I'll have 1, 2 wraps around my finger. Take the back loop, pull it forward. Take the new back loop, pull that forward. Okay, then I can pull my finger out. Throw my hook in here. And pull. Got my magic ring.